Costco kimbap versus Trader Joe's kimbap. Let's check it out. The Trader Joe comes in at $3.99. The Costco one came out to $18.79 for 6 rolls, so that's about $3.13 per roll. Both vegetarian and the fillings are identical. It's carrots, spinach, pickled burdock, and pickled radish. They both took about 2 minutes to cook in the microwave. So the Trader Joe's ones comes in 3 clusters of 3. The Costco one, 1 roll of 4 and 1 roll of 5. I want to say the Trader Joe's ones are slightly bigger. Let's get these plated. Nice. It's more loosely packed, whereas the Costco one tightly packed, and the fillings has this roll of nori to keep everything together. Trader Joe's has a really weak amount of the burdock root. Danmuji is yellow as it should be, whereas Trader Joe's is white and pale. Okay, starting with Trader Joe's. That one's not bad. You do taste each individual components of it. Only downside is that the danmuji gets steamed, so you don't have the cool, satisfying crunch. The Costco. Same flavor profile, sesame oil, tofu pouches, inari in Japanese, sweet soy sauce brine. And because you have less rice, it tastes more saucy. And I personally prefer that. It's more crunchy, it's very noticeable. Freshly made kimbap, I would give that a 10 out of 10, that's as a comparison. Costco, I would say, for me personally, it's more saucy, it's more better formed. I would give this an 8.2, I would give this like an 8.0. For a frozen product, they're both very delicious and they make great lunches. Thanks for watching.